Hello teacher, my name is Camilo Andres Carolaya and I'm going to talk about my brother. So, his name is Diego Alejandro Carolaya and he lives in Cocorná since 2020. Cocorná is a town near to Medellin, like 2 hours or 2 hours and a half away from Medellin. So, I'm going to talk about his daily routine, what he does every day. So, first of all, he usually wakes up at quarter to 6. Well, uh, after that, he brushes her teeth. And so, then he often take a shower at 20 past 6. And after that, he has a breakfast at half past 6. Next, he goes to work at 10 to 7. After that, he works from 7 o'clock to 1 o'clock. And then he has lunch time from 1 p.m. To 2 o'clock. Well, uh, after that, he comes back to the work from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. So after that, he comes back to his home and sometimes he takes a nap from 5:30 to 6 o'clock, and then he does the household chores. Mm, well, normally he eats at 7 p.m. and well, then he brushes her teeth, and after that he washes the dishes, and after that he really likes to play soccer, so he usually goes to play soccer at 8 p.m. So after that he goes back to home and takes another shower, and finally he goes to bed at 10 p.m. And that's it. Thank you, teacher.